Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered how some people in real estate just blow overnight? Like today, they're posting just closed a deal in Ikoyi. The next week, they're launching an estate in Lekki Phase 1 with fireworks, drones, and press coverage. You checked their LinkedIn, there is no real estate background. You check their Instagram, they just joined last year. And you're like, wait, is it that me, I'm not serious with life, or life is not serious with me? Like, what exactly is going on? What is happening? Like, somehow, this people already own three estates and a G wagon. So it's making you really question your life, question your existence. Like, I started this thing before these people. So, how are they up here already? Right? How are they there? Like, what is really going on? Is it that I'm not serious with my life or what? That is not it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the mysterious world of Nepo Daddies in Nigerian real estate. Now, who are these people? Who are they? Where do they come from? And why do they always appear right before someone's overnight success story begins? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how the Nepo Daddies shape the Nigerian real estate market, and maybe, yes, maybe how to spot one. Now, you've heard of Nepo babies, right? Those people who get opportunities because their parents or powerful relatives are connected. A Nepo daddy in Nigerian real estate is a whole different species. He is the man behind the mansion, the plug behind the plot, and the wallet behind the winner. He might be a rich father who set up the child in real estate. He might be a silent investor who believes in someone's vision, or a sponsor who believes in someone's potential. In fact, they are the reason why some realtors or developers skip the struggle phase. Now, let's get this clear. Nepo Daddies, all of them are not the same. We've got categories. Let's start with type 1. That is your real dad. This one is harmless. Maybe your daddy is a rich man or a rich developer, right, in Lagos or Abuja. Then he says, my son, take these 100 million, take it and start up your estate. I don't want you to suffer, go through what I went through. And before you know it, boom, next thing, billboard everywhere, King's Court estates now selling. People are like, wow, young and successful. Bro, we know it's Daddy's Estate Limited. That's it. Then we have type 2, mentor daddy. He's respectable. He's a real estate OG, maybe a developer, right, or an investor that likes to put the young ones under their wings, right, to tell you, okay, come, let me show you how this business really work. They show you, how it was, gives you client credibility, gives you access. That's not bad. That is mentorship. But let's be honest, the line between Nepo Daddy and mentor is kind of blurry. And finally, the type 3, the sugar sponsor. These ones, they know they hide. He's funding a young Rachel's business, website, cars, office, because the person has a potential. But the potential comes with extra work after working hours. This is where it gets serious. Nepo Daddies, they're not just social gists. They actually affect the real estate market. One, they inflate the success stories. Suddenly, everybody think real estate is easy money. You see the flashy lifestyle and think, I really need to join. I really need to join this real estate, thinking it easy. You don't see the sponsor, you don't see the investor, and even the daddy behind it. Two, they distort competition. Genuine hardworking agent or a young man can compete with somebody that has a backup of 50 million from the Nepo Daddy. You can compete that. Three, they make real estate look like a fashion show. Instead of land documents and valuation reports, people focus on cars, clothes, and cruise. Do you hear I sold 20 plots this week? Just smile, because sometimes plot means plot twist. Okay, let's play detective, Homework Jane. How do you know that somebody has a Nepo Daddy backing his or her real estate hustle. One, they start big, no small beginning, no struggle story. The first project is already in Lekki phase one. Two, no one knows their funding source. They answer every question with God did. Yes, God works in mysterious ways. Sometimes He sends Nepo Daddies. Three, they have luxury branding from day one. Website, check. Office in Ikoyi, check. New Prado, check. Everything, all within 3 months of joining the industry. Four, their mentors is very invested, both financially and emotionally. Five, they don't really know much about documentation, but somehow they own multiple estates. If you see the signs, congratulations, you just spotted a Nepo Daddy production. But let's be fair, not all Nepo Daddy situations are really bad. It's even bad. To me, I don't think it's bad though. Let's be fair. Well, some are legit investors who believe in young talent. Some are people's father trying to teach their kids or their children about business, and some are mentors grooming the next generation. The problem is when it creates fake competition, when the game looks easy but the rules are not really the same for everyone. So if you're genuinely grinding, learning, networking, building from the scratch, don't be discouraged. Remember that real growth takes time. Nepo Daddy's money can buy exposure, but it can buy experience. Now that you know the truth, let me know in the comment section. What do you think about Nepo Daddies? Do you think they're helping or are they harming the Nigerian real estate? Let me hear your thoughts, what you think about it in the comment section. And please, I'm begging again, please help to hit that subscribe button, like and share. Bye for now.